An additional Tehsildar in Odisha has been sent to jail in a bribery case. Chendipada Additional Tehsildar Prakash Chandra Naik was remanded to judicial custody on Thursday after being arrested by the Vigilance Department for allegedly accepting a bribe of 9,000 rupees. A peon identified as Kanhu Swai was also arrested in connection with the case. According to officials, the bribe was demanded in exchange for processing a land mutation case. Acting on the complaint, vigilance officials laid a trap and caught both the accused red-handed while accepting the bribe amount on Wednesday. Following the arrest, vigilance teams conducted searches at Naik's residence and seized cash worth 3 lakh rupees. Sources say Naik failed to give a satisfactory explanation for the seized money. A detailed investigation is now underway to determine whether the cash was acquired through illegal means.
आमर कंप्लेंट को कहले जे यू पे 9,000 सो दैट मुझे मुझे करी 9,000 देवाई दाबी कले कंप्लेंट पुणी तार क्लाएंट को पचारा कौन एमती कौन करवा सीटू कंप्लेंट कला विजिलेंस रे दिया जाऊ तापर आम पाखे रिपोर्ट कले तो सो फार हाउस सर्च जो होता पाखु बर्तमान 3 लाख एवं कैश रिकवरी होती फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन चलती जना पड़ो आसे